Many say that having experience as a certified nursing assistant, CNA, gives you an upper hand and an advantage once you become a nurse. Why is that? One reason is that nursing assistants have a skill set that is learned through hands-on practice, which also makes them outstanding candidates on nursing school applications. A CNA is an entry-level healthcare professional that usually works in either a long-term care center, home care, or in the hospital setting. They work directly under the supervision of a nurse and provide hands-on care to the patient. What are 3 advantages to becoming a nursing assistant before a nurse? 1. You can gain valuable experience. A CNA gains valuable exposure to what the nurse's everyday responsibilities look like. Many aides that have become nurses say the experience really added to the bedside skills needed to be a great nurse. 2. Decrease burnout and job stress by becoming a CNA before becoming a nurse. Insight gained as a CNA can reduce the amount of burnout and stress coming from a late understanding of what the job entails. Working as a nursing assistant before starting nursing school can save you a lot of time and money. Some people spend thousands of dollars on a nursing degree before realizing that nursing is not for them. 3. Nursing assistants make the ideal nursing school candidates. Earning your certification as a nursing assistant should be highlighted on your nursing school application. Having experience as a CNA may give you a competitive advantage and can propel your application to the top. Although many nurses would likely recommend becoming an aide prior to becoming a nurse, it is certainly not necessary. Those without prior experience might find it a bit more challenging at times. However, you will find ways to quickly adapt and hit the floor running. Of course, you can be a great nurse without having CNA experience. So ultimately, the decision is up to you. For more information on how to become a CNA, check out our free CNA practice exam questions, clinical skills videos, and online resources. Thanks for watching.